All right, so I got another quick win to share with you. This is for some e-commerce Shopify copy. And you can see the old copy, 38 visits, new copy, 39 visits, and purchase events. I'm winning 3-0 on the new copy. This is for a simple little e-com grip strength trainer. Updated the copy here. They didn't have any copy on the hero image, which if you look at this in mobile, that's super crucial because this basically becomes the headline and your benefit bullets right there. And so they had a plain image that had no copy on it. There's a lot that could be done to this page to make it better, but simple copy swap, make sure that there's copy showing on that hero image. And again, 3-0, it's out converting the old stuff. And, every 13 visits, we're getting a purchase conversion on that. So not a bad conversion rate at 7.69%. Sending them through an advertorial. And I also updated their advertorial page on that. So great win. I will take it. 3-0 is pretty decent. And I expect it'll hold, maybe even get better. But the old copy wasn't great. So cool. I'm excited. Again, if you've got copy and you need wins like this, you need to improve your copy, let me know. If you need a bot, custom PoBot, Claude project, custom GPT to crank out copy that converts like this, let me know. It's one of the things that I specialize in. Should be a link down below or in my profile. Somewhere you can get a hold of me. And if you're interested, maybe able to work together and engineer some wins like this for you or your business.